Hello and welcome to the channel once more. Today we are going to be installing a fire extinguisher to the Mahindra Roxor. So what we have there is the Amerex 807 fire extinguisher holder. We have a little fire extinguisher and we have some clamps from a local hardware store. You can go with the 2-inch clamps or the 2 1/4 or half-inch exhaust clamps. Those will work. So the holder we're gonna use is from Amerex model 807. You can get those on Amazon, eBay. They work very well. They are adjustable, and that's just from a local big box shop. It's a regular household fire extinguisher which can be used for most general fires. So remember, the roll cage on the Roxor is about 2 inches in diameter. So we start first by I push the seat all the way to the back to see if there will be any interference, the passenger seat, and then I took the Amerex 807, put it at the required height. So there we'll just take out the nuts like that. And notice carefully, I have it installed. I have the clamp installed like that. There you go. And then you have that flat surface that's gonna mate with the fire extinguisher holder. So go ahead, put in the nuts, get them a little snug, hand tight. So first one, get the second knot started. Yeah, it's kind of starting to warm up out here, so we'll be doing a lot more stuff on the Roxor. So it's a slow process. Lifted it to the height I wanted and speed it up a little bit. Tighten that. And then we're gonna do the bottom one next. I didn't do all three, so that's what it looks like installed. Just go ahead there, make sure everything is tight. You know, just get it snug enough. You don't have to kill it. I used a 9/16 wrench. So what I ended up doing was I used the clamps from another hardware store. This one was from Ace Hardware. They were beefier and they seem to fit a lot more better than the ones from Tractor Supply TSC. So that's the one I used. Just get it snug, not trying to kill it. Make sure it's secured. That's what it looks like on the back side. I used just 2 clamps. That was more than enough. And then if you look on the left side where you have the clamp, that's where you adjust depending on the size of your fire extinguisher. For me, I got a very small one, so I adjusted everything to have it really tight because of the size of the fire extinguisher. So now we're gonna do a test. Make sure it can sit in there. And the reason I use this one is because it's a quick release. You know, if there's a fire, you don't have time to be fidgeting with stuff, trying to use screwdrivers to get your fire extinguisher out. With this one, it's just one straight movement and poof, you have your fire extinguisher with you, ready to go. So that's how it sits. That's what it looks like. I'm very pleased with the results. I might do a little bit of padding to make sure it clamps in there securely, but it looks okay to me and I'm happy with the results. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.